In this video, we are going to explain how to manage multiple projects in Poppy AI. Now, this might be overwhelming for some. It might be complicated or it might sound complicated, but it's actually quite simple, right? So when you're working with AI, simple is best. What does that mean? It means you need to simplify everything because again, pretty much they're all AI is going to do everything for you. You just need to point it to the right direction. And if you want to manage multiple projects all at once, it's quite simple. You want to add folders. For example, team A needs to have a folder, team B needs to have a folder. So within each folder, that's where you add all team A's boards, right? So for team A, all of their boards are going to be on team A's folder, team B's so and so, right? So each folder, right, will have, like what I said, each board. Now, when it comes to boards, let's make a new one. Here, you need to be organized too, right? You need to be organized. You need to add groups, right, for each board. So, for example, group one is for videos. Group two is for, you can just resize this later if you want. Group two is for documents. Group three is, say, for websites, right? So on and so forth. And it needs to have organization so that once you share or you give access to your team members for each group or for each board, they will have everything already there for them, right? So again, you need to share, right? You need to make your board public, copy the link and share it to, for example, team member 1, 5, and 6 are going to be working on Plumrat. You're just going to share your link to team member 1, 5, and 6, right? And when everything is here for them, they're going to start working, right? So do that for every board, right? Do that for every board, right? Plumrat, title, tutorials, etc., right? Do that for every board, and you'll be able to manage each board or each project easily on Poppy AI. It's not that hard, guys. So if you're interested in trying out Poppy AI, you can get a $25 discount when you click on the link in the description we have provided below. So pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. I'll see you on the next video.